Okay, so we have just replaced the front camera on my sister's 2020 Palisade Limited. Here is the original camera, if you can see it. It got hit by a rock and cracked. And she went to the dealership and they quoted her $800 to replace the camera, and they claimed it had to be reprogrammed. Well, we bought the camera on eBay for $200, popped the bumper, plugged it up, and the camera works perfectly, no complaints, no programming. So I think the dealership was talking a bit of crap there. Anyways, let me show you the part number. This is the part number we got. Now I will tell you that this camera was slightly different than the camera that came out of here, but just the bracket that holds the camera on. So we actually just unscrewed the mounting bracket and screwed on the original mounting bracket, and then this camera worked just fine. This was the bracket. This was the bracket that came on this eBay camera, and this is obviously for like a Sonata or something else. And the Palisade had a slightly different mounting bracket, so we just unscrewed this off the replacement camera, screwed on the original bracket, and mounted the camera in just fine. The camera is right here. And the camera works just fine. We'll show you inside in a second. To take this bumper off, it was super easy. Bunch of clips along the top here, a few bolts in the corner here, one bolt in the wheel well, bunch of clips down the side, one clip in the very bottom corner, 4 10mm bolts along the bottom, and the bumper popped out. Now the tricky part is actually these lights. These lights can either come with the bumper or not come with the bumper. We did not take them off when we took off the bumper, but if you do not take them off, there are clips under here, and you risk breaking them, and honestly we did break a couple. But a little bit of a wedge tool in here to help pop those clips, and be careful. You can get this bumper off without the light. Just be careful. Be easy around these clips, but the rest of the clips are just like normal automotive clips, and this bumper came off in 5 minutes. And
once you remove the bumper, there's just that one.
Oh yeah. Junior's reminding me that there is a big master connector right here on this corner that is all the wiring for the whole front grille. So you only have to undo one plug to take the whole bumper off, and that's it. The camera is replaced. We still got to put all the screws back in. We just temporarily mounted it so we could test the camera, and actually the camera works fine. So we'll show you inside, and then we'll finish this job up. Okay, we're in the car. The car is on. Let's hit the camera view over here. Oh, what did I just press? Are you in what gear are you in?
I'm just in park.
Okay, I guess the camera didn't come on. Okay, there we go. And there is that front camera and our tripod, and yeah, it's working just fine, no complaints. And so yeah, you too can replace your front camera for about $200. Good luck.